All right, let's look at example 2. It says fill in the chart by converting between fractions, decimals, and percent. Show your work in space below. So you should have your table already copied down onto your notes page. Let's look at our first line. So they've given us that we have 350%, and we need to change that into both a decimal and a fraction form. It doesn't matter which one you do first. I'm going to go ahead and go from percent to decimal, and then I can do percent to fraction. All right, so percent to decimal, I need to divide by 100. So I'm going to take my decimal point and move it 2 places to the left. So my decimal would be 3.5. If I go back to my percent, I have 350%. Remember, percent means per 100. So my fraction would be 350 over 100. All right, for our second one, we have a decimal value of 0.025. I'm going to go ahead and find my percent first, and then we can talk about the fraction. So to go from decimal to percent, we multiply by 100. So we're multiplying by 100. So we're going to take our decimal point, move it 2 places to the right. We get 0, or we don't even need the 0, sorry. 2.5%. For our fraction, we're going to take our percent amount, which is 2.5, and put it over 100. So 2.5 over 100. For our last one, our 1/8, we have 1 over 8. To change a fraction to a decimal, so to go from fraction to decimal, we divide our numerator by our denominator. So we're going to do 1 divided by 8. And this is one that you can use your calculator on if you would like. When you punch that into the calculator and do 1 divided by 8, we get 0.125. And then I can do the same thing as I did up here and take my 0.125 times it by 100. So move my decimal point over, and we get 12.5%.